Hey everyone! If you're getting the Minecraft exit code 1 error, I'll show you several easy methods to fix it. Just follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Press Windows plus R. Type %appdata%. Then click OK. Open the .minecraft folder. Then open the mods folder. If you have any mods installed, move them to your desktop. Or delete them. Now try launching Minecraft. If the problem still persists, go back to the .minecraft folder. Before deleting it, copy the saves folder. If you use texture packs, also copy the resource packs folder. If you use shaders, copy the shader packs folder. If you want to keep your screenshots, copy the screenshots folder. Paste these folders somewhere safe. Then delete the .minecraft folder. Open the Minecraft launcher. Click play. Minecraft will automatically download all the required files again. If the problem still persists, open your web browser. Search for Java download. Open the official Java website. Download and install the latest version of Java. After the installation is complete, restart your computer. Now launch Minecraft. The error should now be fixed. If you're still having this problem, let us know in the comments. We'll make a guide for you. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more easy guides. Thank you for watching.